Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to download MP3 songs using Chrome, and this is for 2025. Now I'm using an iPhone, an iOS device. Even though I have a Chrome here, I'm still using iOS, so this is applicable throughout all devices. As long as you have a Chrome, open it up right there, so I'm just gonna routine as it is. Alright? So once in here, on the search bar, I just type in here Pixabay. It's gonna be easy as that. So Pixabay is gonna be your royalty-free photos, videos, vertices, or even GIFs are gonna be in here. Alright? So you can see here music, videos, vectors, sound effects, and GIFs. Everything is royalty-free, meaning you can use them on your YouTube videos, on your edits, and the works. Now once you're in here, I want you to click on the three lines right there, and then simply look for the one that says music. You can also choose sound effects if you want to, but for now, I'm gonna go for music. Now you can also filter it by active lock, generic, and then the genre moreover, and or scrolling down right here, you can have every music you want there. Also, there are gonna be options here. As you can see, there is a download icon or the arrow going down. That is the download icon. Simply click on that one, the music will be downloaded on your device. By clicking this image with the play button, you can have a preview on how it sounds like. Three dots right there gives you the option for advanced settings. You can bookmark, like it, and even check the genre for this one. You can even download it on this button right there. It's gonna be easy as that. Even though you don't have a Pixabay account as of now, you can download music, MP3 songs on this one. Alright? And that being said, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.